On overhead 7. We're going to check that the supply crossover shut-off valve is open.
It is open.
On the lab 1 overhead starboard, we need the mirror, right? This is the one where you need a mirror. Yep. We need a mirror and we need a tool here. So. All right. Just let me know when I'm good.
Okay. All right. Starting in 3, 2, 1.
And you're still my M2, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Vehicle's looking steady.
And we're already in free drift?
Yep.
Okay. Carriage carriage retracted.
Okay. All right. So we saw the tension. We got retract there, but the brake.
It's negative 0.1. Initiate hot backup. So go backup. So review here. It's hot backup up. Okay.
Be safe. Yeah.
Be safe message.
Copy. Yeah. So that one happened just right at trigger pull. So we got it snared and captured. So we had capture and close the rule. So it was just the carriage hadn't started anything at all. Minimal type input. So add anything. It's both on THC and RHC. Add it a little bit, hold it, see what you see. If you need more slow, coming in slower, you've got a little more time to bring things in slower.
Yeah.
And give you a little better control.
But I will go slower. This next one, it'll be beautiful. That's great. And then Simone Biles, heard she did really well. So, have you been watching it?
Yeah.
Could have gone sight picture, very beautiful, but it would have required much more bigger movements, which I know you don't want.
One pin.
Go for capture.
Very good. Over the pin.
Sometimes hard to read when it's like, I think there's enough paper. Thank you.
I don't know why they want this here. I don't because we don't do that. I there. It's gonna be hard to pick up left. Just for the lease. Inside the battery, the only one cosmonaut is the USB. Yeah. Thank you.
We'll have it ready and then see. Okay, so you guys can put it on. Yeah.
All right, so if it's engaged, we're going to step number 23. So where we left, it was checked out, and then we did for string P12. We did this with the parentheses, and now we're finished. And
Okay. Is that under telemetry and angles?
well, yes, it is.
Okay.
Yes.
So this line should say command inhibit arm, and then it should say command inhibit inhibit.
That looks like the right one.
Yeah.
And then you can execute it. You're going to execute.
Hey, everyone agree?
Agree. Yeah, agree.
Agreed. Here we go. And then the loss of ISS attitude control warning is latched, so it's not going to go away until we unlatch it.
Right.
All right. Assembly. So there's EPS port sarge, and then there's a BGA recovery box on the area that says primary S6P.
But we don't need to do the commanding unless you really want to hit auto all the way down.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, so then in
got the training value.
critical bus loss,
EPS caution and warning message and alarm. So we have no emergency, so it's going to be a warning. And which one is
step and realize, that's interesting, that this warning doesn't seem to be related, but when you go to this procedure, it'll have you check some stuff out and it'll vector you to where you need to be. So